Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how you can use Google Fonts in your reactjs, NextJs and Tailwind CSS website. So I have created a very simple website in which I have written a paragraph and it's running on localhost 3000. As you can see, it's we have only index.tsx and our paragraph. So first we'll choose a font which we want to use. So like we are going to use this one, comforter. First I'm going to remove all this. Okay, then comforter. So select this regular 400 because only regular 400 is available. Now copy this and paste it in globals.css. Now go to tailwind.config.js and in extend just write font family and the custom font name which you want to create. The name is comforter, so I will use comforter. You can choose any name like comforter. Now in an array give the font name control C control V, and this cursive is for fallback. If the system does not found this font, then it will use this one. So now, now you can see and just write the class name, and in the class name write font and the font name that you have created. So see this, I have created this comforter. Now click on this and you will see the font changed, completely changed. Let's see what happen if this font is not available. I'm going to misspell this. I added one more R. So this cursive is using the NextJs is using this cursive font. Thank you.